And I want to press charges against him since he hit me. But he was screaming, why you in here? What you doing up here? And I'm like, she hit me first. She hit me first.
I was trying to separate like this. It's like both of them. I'm getting hit by both of them.
You already admitted you hit her first, so you can get arrested. Because you are already in handcuffs, I'm going to read you your rights before I talk to you. Based on our investigation, we have determined she is at fault. We are gonna go with battery. We are gonna go with affray.
Yeah, he called, but I was the one involved, yes.
What happened?
I was upstairs. She came to bring his baby so he could see him. She asked to use the bathroom. It's a bathroom downstairs. She asked to use the bathroom. I heard her coming up the stairs. She opened the door. She asked if I was who I am, and I said yes. She started approaching me, so that's when I got up and I hit her fucking face. And then we got to fighting because she already was in my bubble. Don't care.
All right. Where's she at?
She gone.
Okay, so she was bringing the child over here.
Yeah, so what happened was she called me. So I've been dealing with this ever since we done broke up. So what happened was I ain't been seeing my baby like that. So she brought my baby over here so she could see me. I let her park in the garage and I left my car here. So she asked to go to the bathroom, my BM. I have a bathroom downstairs. She said she's gonna go to the bathroom downstairs. She went upstairs where she was. That shit right there.
That's her right there?
Yeah, she went upstairs and
just stay. Okay, hold on a second. Just stay over there. Just stay over there. I'll talk to you in a minute, okay?
Stay over there.
Stay
over there.
Stop. Stop.
Hey, bro, calm down. Hey, bro, go.
Your mama told me where your mama
You know I take that.
and I look cute. You got me shut.
Get out. Put your hands behind your back. You want to talk, and you already admitted you hit her first, so you can get arrested.
Thank you. My baby was
I ain't dealing with that. Come on. You stop too.
Okay.
Call my sister, bro. Get my phone and call my sister. Girl, I know you didn't.
Stop.
I'm trying to calm down. I'm sorry.
I hate stupid stuff. All right, just work with me, okay?
Sorry, she just been really.
Okay, I get it, but give me a. I don't know everything. You're right, but what I do know is I don't need nobody talking crap to each other out here while I'm trying to do my job, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I understand.
Young lady, what is your first name?
Heaven, H-E-A.
Mm-hmm.
B-E-N.
Start with this. What's your first name, dear?
My name is Andrea, A-N-D-R-E-A. B-A-L-L-A-R-D, and I want to press charges against him since he hit me.
Okay, we're gonna get to everything. Come here, come here.
You did. You tried.
Okay, hey, stop talking to each other. All right, it's my job to talk to y'all, not each other. You talk to each other.
I do.
Okay. Start from the beginning, calmly. Tell me what happened.
So what happened was, I was parked behind his car. I brought my daughter to see him. Okay. So I asked him, can I use the restroom? He's like, he didn't say nothing at first. Somebody got to use the restroom. Can I use the restroom? He was like, go ahead, use the restroom. So I go in the house, I use the restroom. I hear something. I walk out, she was standing right there at the thing. So I'm like,
what's the thing?
I don't know if you can go in there, nice little thing where the stairs at right there.
Okay.
So I'm like, what's up? So I go up the stairs. I'm like, what's up? Like, and she like, oh, what you doing in here? I said, I can be in here. This my baby daddy. What's up? Like, she get up, like rise up, and she hit me. So we started fighting because I'm not just gonna let nobody hit me. For one, I didn't hit you. I didn't give you no. I'm all the way back here. She like right there. You swung on me. So you clearly you have an issue with me. I don't even know you, but you know about me because you've been watching me. Got the screenshots, everything. She been watching me. So for you to hit me and I don't even know you, that's crazy. So we was in there fighting. So as we fighting, she doing all this talking. Girl, you doing too much talking. Like, you already pulled my hair out or whatever the case may be. Okay. So then he drops my baby on the floor because my baby's in the middle of the thing crying.
Okay.
Boo-hoo crying. And he jumps on the bed.
How's
he
the
hit
baby?
me. She's 9 months old.
Okay.
And you hitting me to save her. So now I want to press charges on both of them. Yeah, I do. He already have a case where he done hit me already.
Where's the baby at right now?
I dropped her to my grandmother's house.
Okay, so the baby's with grandma right now, and you left with the, when all this got done, you left with the baby, took the baby to grandma's and came back here.
Yes, because my glasses is in there, my earrings is in there, and my ponytail is in there. And his mother says she's coming back to let me get my stuff. But and he already has a domestic violence case open because he already punched me in my nose. And on July 11th to be exact.
I'm like 2 to 3 feet from you. You don't got to be so loud, okay? You see how loud I'm talking?
No, I'm so sorry. It's just
I know you're worked up, but you got to remember, you're worked up with them. You're not worked up with me.
I'm sorry.
And I'm right here, okay? I don't appreciate being yelled at.
I'm sorry.
Okay? You come out the bathroom. You see her wherever she was standing by the stairs, and you said, "What's up?" What did you mean by that? What was the purpose of that
I said,
comment?
"What's up? Hey, how you doing?" I said, "What's your name?" She ain't saying that. And I said, "Oh, you the Heaven girl?" Because I've been noticing this girl. She been watching me for a while now. And I asked him about her. He said he didn't know her. So
Okay.
I'm just confused. Because this supposed to be your girlfriend, but you told me you didn't even know her.
Okay.
So now I'm confused. So I don't know. But
Okay.
yeah.
So what did she say in response to that?
What you doing in here? What you doing up here? What you doing? What you doing? Baby, you don't live here. This is mama house. He
And
don't
what
even
was
live
and
here.
what was your response to when she said that?
I can be in here. This is my baby daddy house.
Okay.
And after that, she hit me.
Okay.
And after that, it was what it was.
How when you guys were talking, having the verbal exchange, how close were y'all?
And when she hit me, she went like this.
After y'all started tussling, he jumped in?
I heard my baby. All I heard was my baby screaming and crying. And then I seen him, and he literally punched me. Boom. Just like that. And got on top of me and was holding me down. Why you in here? What you... Sorry. But he was screaming, why you in here? What you doing up here? And I'm like, she hit me first. She hit me first. You talking to me.
And this took place downstairs?
No, this took place upstairs.
Okay, well, if you were downstairs and come out of the bathroom and you saw her at the stairs, that means it was at the bottom of the stairs.
No, it was upstairs. I walked upstairs because I said, hey, what's your name? Like, trying to talk to her because I never met her before. And like I said, I didn't go up there being hostile. I just want to know who she was. Okay. I had no idea nobody was
Well, that's
in
different
there.
from what she said. She said you did come up there hostile.
No, I did not. If I came up there hostile, why I didn't hit you first? You get what I'm saying? If I had an issue with you, why I didn't hit you first? You get what I'm saying? You hit me first. I can understand. When I'm right, I'm right, and when I'm wrong, I'm wrong. If I would hit her first, I would have told you I hit her first. I have no shame. But you hit me because you're mad for what? You got him. You see what?
Let me catch her up real quick.
Okay.
So, first person I spoke to was a lady who's currently in my back seat that was driving this red car. Her name is Heaven. That's this guy's boyfriend. These two have children together. Heaven's the new girlfriend. He comes up and starts laying hands on her too until she gets out. Accurate?
Yes, very accurate.
Okay.
Have you got any injuries?
She's got injuries on her face for sure. She had that scratch on her nose. I'm going to get a better look at this one.
I got a scratch right here. That's really it. She pulled my ponytail out.
I have not run anybody yet. I will do that now.
Hold your hands out for me. Let me see what you got. All right, let me see your face. Ever married or lived together?
Yes, we lived together from January of 2023 to January of 2024.
Has he been legitimized?
No, he's the only thing he signed is her birth certificate and then a paternity acknowledgement agreement. That's about it.
Do you have any injuries of any kind on you? Were you involved in anything physical?
No, I'm good. It just.
Were you involved in anything physical?
No, I wasn't. Only thing I did.
Did you get hit?
No. Well, I don't know where I got hit from. They were just swinging, so I'm just trying to break the shit up.
Okay.
So they just swing.
Did you hit anybody?
No, I ain't hit nobody.
Okay.
I'm seeing her.
I'm gonna check her for injuries real quick.
Yeah.
Miss Heaven, do you have any injuries?
No,
None whatsoever.
not that I know of.
All right. I mean, you obviously guys got in a tussle. I'm just checking to make sure you do or do not have any injuries. Okay. You hurt anywhere? Okay.
That's the reason why me and her wasn't even talking. So, and that's another reason why I ain't want her to come over here. Because me and her already got an altercation and stuff like that, and it is domestic violence stuff, and she all.
Well, she mentioned that you got in trouble in the past for domestic violence.
So that's why I don't invite her over here. I don't do none of that. Because she said she wasn't going to press charges no more. But she hit me first. And I even got on record that she hit me first.
You're talking about in a previous incident?
In a previous time. So that's why she didn't press charges on me.
All right.
And that's
all right, go ahead and tell Officer Gossick what happened today between you three y'all.
Okay, so she came over here.
Who is she?
Her.
Okay.
My girl was already over here chilling. So she was like, okay, well, do you want to see the baby? Because I ain't seen my baby in almost like 2 weeks because she been keeping my baby away from me. So I parked her car inside the garage. So it won't be no, you know what I'm saying, no issue. There won't be no issue. So when I parked her car in there, she came over here. We outside just chilling. Next thing you know, she say she want to go use the bathroom. I have a bathroom downstairs. And she exactly said she wanted to use the bathroom downstairs. Mention, my room is upstairs with my girl. My girl is upstairs, chilling. She went at the bottom. I guess she didn't go to the bottom. She went to my room to trying to see who was inside my room. Basically, I'm outside. I'm literally sitting outside with my baby, holding my baby in my hand. So I'm like, why is it taking her so long? Because the bathroom, literally, as soon as you walk through the door, is right there. So I'm like, what's going on?
It looks like somebody's walking into your house.
Yeah, that's my grandma.
Okay.
So I'm like, why is it taking her so long? So I go in there. I'm downstairs. I just hear like stomping, like they fighting. So I'm running upstairs with my baby. I put my baby on the floor so I could break it up. So I'm like this. They still swinging. I'm getting hit and everything. I didn't hit nobody. I ain't do nothing because I'm trying to break it up. Ain't no point in me trying to hit her because she's my bitch and that's my girl. No, I'm not doing none of that. I'm just trying to break it up. And that's when she was like, oh, she ran downstairs. She's like, oh, where my ponytail? Where my ponytail? I'm like, no, just get the fuck out. Because you already said you was going to the bathroom downstairs, so why was you going upstairs? So then that's when she backed up, she drove off, and she grabbed my baby, she drove off there, that's when she left. And then that's when she was finna get ready to leave. I was telling her to just chill. So, and that was it. And then that's when she pulled back up when he got here. I ain't touch nobody, I ain't do nothing, cause ain't no point in me touching anybody. Because I already know the type of person she is. We already, like I said, we already had a case already with domestic violence and all that stuff. She hit me previous. I had her hit her back or something like that. And then that's when she already made a police report, and then that's when she dropped the case on there and everything.
I got you.
So
We're talking about today, though.
Yeah, but that's the only thing.
So you're saying you didn't hit her, you just tried to separate
No,
her?
I been trying to separate like this. It's like both of them, I'm getting hit by both of them. Literally, I'm in the middle of both of them.
You don't have any injuries?
No, I'm good.
Cool, let me photograph you. Put your hands out. Straight, like this. There you go. Put them together. As of right now, I'm still investigating this, trying to get everybody's story, but because you are already in handcuffs, I'm gonna read you your rights before I talk to you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Having those in mind, do you want to talk to me about what happened?
Yeah.
Start from the beginning. Tell me what happened.
I went to use the bathroom and he called me. He said, "Hey, she is he have a bathroom upstairs."
Right.
That's where I was.
Okay.
He was like, he let me know, "Hey, she's coming in to use the bathroom downstairs. Just be vigilant." I said, "Okay," like just not to make me noise to know that I was there.
Right.
The bathroom is right here. She was supposed to be using this bathroom. My room is upstairs. So when I'm thinking she's still in the bathroom. But I dropped my baby right here.
Okay.
That's when I hit him tussle. So I go in here, I just hit him fighting. See, I got my PC and everything. They done spilled everything on my PC and stuff. So.
What kind of PC you got? You a gamer?
Yeah. I got a 3070.
You stream?
Yeah. That's my bathroom right there. So she was just trying to come up here and be nosy, basically.
What the fuck y'all got going on, man?
Mama, that's not me. That's Andrea, Mom.
No, he. From what I can tell from all the stories, he didn't do nothing wrong.
I didn't do nothing.
I ain't saying it's you, but you know when both of them motherfuckers together.
I heard somebody coming up the stairs, and I assumed it was him, but when she opened the door, I seen it was her. And these were her exact words. "Who are you? What's your name?" And I said, "Why are you in here?" And she said, "Oh, you that Heaven bitch, the bitch that be watching me." And I said, "Okay." Mind you, I'm laying in the bed when she came in the room. As she's talking and asking me my name, she's approaching the bed, getting in the area where I'm in, like she's about to pounce on me. So I stood up so I wouldn't let that happen. So she came closer, she was in my face, and then she was like, "You getting up like you trying to do something," in my face. So before she got the chance, I hit her. Yes, I did. I hit her, and then that's when we started tussling. She was trying to hit my head up against the wall. Like I said, we was fighting. It was probably about 5 minutes of fighting. He ran upstairs. He broke us up, and everybody was yelling or whatever. He asking her, "Why are you in here? Why are you in here?" And she kept yelling. She hit me first, and I was yelling. She was in my face. She was in my personal space. She was in my personal space. He's trying to get her downstairs, meanwhile still trying to break us up. And after that, I stopped dealing with her. I stopped being in her area. She was asking where her ponytail at. Not sure. I was just standing. I wasn't by them anymore. They were by the doorway, and I was more by the bed. After that, she ran downstairs and then came back upstairs, and he said, "I'm gonna call the police." I assume she ran downstairs, got the baby, and left. And then I was about to leave because I didn't want to. I needed to calm down. So I was about to leave, and then that's when this officer pulled up. The adrenaline was rushing, so I was very upset. And
Did you hit her with a closed fist or open hand or what?
open hand
Where at?
in her face,
Which hand did you use?
right?
All right, we're about to cut you loose, okay? Because based off our investigation, we're determining she's at fault, all right? So, do you want to press charges on her, or do you want to let her go?
I want to press charges.
Okay. Just so she doesn't know what's coming when we walk over there, I'm going to take you out of handcuffs after we put her in handcuffs. Is that okay with you?
Okay.
All right.
All right, honey, go ahead and step out for me.
All right. Put your hands behind your back.
Turn around. Being detained right now. We gonna go with battery, or we gonna go with a fray?
It's going to be battery. Appreciate your patience. All right, don't say nothing to her. You got me?
Yes, sir.
So why she get let go? She hit me first.
We're gonna explain everything just a minute.
Don't leave quite yet. Like I said, you're not in any risk of going to jail or nothing, but just don't leave quite yet till we're all done, all right?
Alright. That's ridiculous. I'm going to jail.
Yes.
What? But she hit me first.
Based on what we've determined, based on all kind of injuries, based on what each one of you has told us, it appears to us that you provoked this. We've already walked inside. We've looked at where everything occurred. We looked at all the evidence in there. There was a bathroom downstairs.
Right.
Why did you go upstairs to go in that bedroom?
She was standing over the thing, and I was trying to talk to her. I never met her before, so I was trying to introduce myself. I don't know her.
Okay.
That's what it was. I was never hostile. They're literally lying.
Well, you're gonna have to explain that in court, because right now, between the 3 of your stories, yours is the only one that don't add up based on what we've investigated.
Of course they gonna lie for each other. That's his girlfriend. That's ridiculous, man.
Well, be glad it's not with him, because it'd be family violence. Like this, it's not family violence, so it's a little bit easier.
When she hit me first, like she literally.
She admitted to it.
So
she had no problem admitting to it.
So why she's not getting in trouble, man?
Because you're the primary aggressor. You should not have went upstairs.
But I was trying to talk. Okay. So can somebody move my car, or can I call my grandma or something?
Where's your phone at?
It's inside of my car.
Can you assist me, if it's all right with you? You can let me go back in your house, assist me with finding her ponytail and earrings and stuff that came off. I guess this would be the ponytail right here.
Yeah, I guess. I don't know what her earrings are.
There's one. There's one right there. Oh, maybe that's it right there. That looks like an earring. Yeah, that's it. Do you want your purse with you or not? You want to leave it in the car, or what do you want to do with your purse?
You can leave it. I'm just so confused as to how I get hit and I'm going to jail.
Okay.
Based off of a story that both of them gonna corroborate because they're in a relationship. Like that doesn't that makes no sense.
I'm happy to tell you. Now you're not gonna agree with it, but I'm happy to tell you, okay? Basically the reason why you're getting locked up is because you have permission to enter the house to use the downstairs bathroom.
And I did.
According to their order of events, and what they're saying is that this didn't happen. You used that as an excuse to get in the house. You went upstairs, went to his bedroom, and confronted her in a hostile manner, and she felt threatened for her safety because of how you approached her, and so she defended herself, all right?
It's crazy.
So, because if you have permission to go use the downstairs bathroom, that's all you have permission to do. There is no reason to be upstairs, all right?
But, okay, I don't know, but that's just crazy. You finna let her stay here? Like, that's just crazy. Like, she literally hit me first, Miss Melissa.
Baby, I don't know.
And she said she hit me first.
Grandbaby.
He threw my baby on the floor. She was in there crying, Miss Melissa, and he hit me for that girl. But that's the thing, Miss Melissa, we already had that conversation. If you want to have somebody over here, don't tell me to come over here. He told me to come over here. And for you to hit me, thought you felt threatened, Miss Melissa, all I said was, hey, what's up, what your name is? Then I said, oh, you the heaven girl, because she been watching me on social media for months.
I'm finna go back, because I'm going to do your damn intake when I go back to damn work. I'm not dealing with your ass tonight. I'm so sick of y'all.
But I just don't get it, Miss Melissa. How is it okay that she get to stay here? Like, why is she still here?
We're going to talk when you get to the jail, because I got to go back.
What are we doing with the car?
She's not to park it
You're going to park it?
I'm going to let it go. I'm
Can
going to put it in my driveway.
Do you have her grandma's number to call her grandma?
It's in my phone.
She got to write it down.
Where's her? You got her phone in the bag up there? You might hand it to me.
Based on injuries and what each of you has told us, it appears to us that you provoked this. We walked inside. We looked at all the evidence. There was a bathroom downstairs. Why did you go upstairs to go into that bedroom? Between the 3 stories, yours is the only one that does not add up based on what we have investigated. Because you are the primary aggressor. You should not have gone upstairs. The reason you are being arrested is because you had permission to enter the house to use the downstairs bathroom. You went upstairs, went to his bedroom, confronted her, and she felt threatened for her safety because of how you approached her. The woman was charged with simple battery and third-degree cruelty to children.